Welcome to the next step in your journey to a good night's sleep. In this video, we're going to guide you on how to set up and begin using your positive airway pressure or PAP therapy. To get started, unpack all of the items from the bag. You should have the iBreeze device itself, power supply, tubing, extra filter, and mask. You'll also find the user manual. Keep this in a safe place for later use. Make sure the tubing adapter is on the back of the machine and locked in place. You will need to keep this on the machine. Place the device on a flat surface and connect the power adapter to the DC inlet of the main device. Connect the power cord to the power adapter and plug the power cord into the power outlet. There are two buttons on the top of the device. The one on the left is the power button. This turns the PAP on and off manually. The button on the right is the ramp button. Pressing this button during therapy will decrease the pressure to a lower pressure for comfort for a set amount of time. On the left side of the machine is where the HEPA filter is located. There should be a filter already in place. Pull the door cover down and the filter fits under 3 tabs. Above the filter is where the SD card is located. The SD card is how we can get data from your machine to see if it is working for you. We will send this information to your doctor and insurance company as requested. If you push in on the SD card, it will pop out. You can take the SD card to your doctor appointments in case they want a complete download from it. On the right side of the machine is the humidifier. To remove the humidifier chamber, place your thumb on the top and fingers on the bottom to slide the chamber out of the unit. Once the chamber is out, you will see a tab on the back part of the lid. Pull up on the tab to open the water chamber and then fill it with distilled water. Use distilled water only, as tap or drinking water contain mineral deposits that can harm your device. Be sure to not overfill the water chamber. There is a fill line that you should not go over. Do not travel with water in the water chamber, as this can cause water to go into the machine and cause damage. To put the lid back on, line up the 2 tabs on the lid and chamber, then close the tab on the lid and slide the humidifier chamber back into the machine. You will not be able to adjust the humidifier without water in it. The machine automatically turns the humidifier off if water is not detected. You can set the humidifier to off, auto, or 1 through 8, with 8 being the most humidity. Now that we've gone through the initial setup process for your PAP device, we can begin to learn more about the usage and settings. On the front of the machine is the screen and knob. If you turn the knob to the right, to the info box, you will see your recent data. It will show usage, AHI, mask fit, and humidity. This is just a quick look at your info. For a more detailed view, click in the knob and you will see your detailed data. To get back to the main menu, turn the knob back to the left until the back arrow is highlighted, and then click the knob in. Mask fit allows you to put your mask on and check the fit. The machine will pressure up and show a smiling face for a good fit or a frowning face for a high leak. You can adjust your mask accordingly. Comfort menu lets you set some comfort settings. These will be preset by VieMed. If you have questions or issues, it is best to talk to your sleep coach to make changes. The last option is settings. This allows you to adjust the time and date. Again, this is preset by VieMed. If you need to make changes, it is important to call the sleep coach first. On the back of the machine is where the tubing goes. Put on the tubing connector first by matching the arrow on the tube connector to the unlock symbol and turn it to the right to lock it in place. Then connect the tubing to the connector. Now, when you turn the device on, the settings will display on the screen at the bottom. In the middle at the top, it will say APAP or CPAP, depending on your settings. The middle under the lungs will show what the pressure is at that time. The top right will show what the humidifier is set on. If the patient would like to adjust this while on the machine, they can press the knob in and adjust right or left, then click the knob in. The screen will go black after 30 seconds. Now that you've set up your machine and learned about the settings, it's time to integrate it into comfortable everyday use. This will take a little getting used to, but will greatly help your journey to better sleep and overall quality of life. Starting tonight, begin to ease into a habit of regular use. This is the best way to get the most out of your therapy and keep you on track to better sleep. Over the next few months, your sleep coach will contact you every few weeks to ensure you are adhering to your therapy plan and address any questions or concerns. It's important to schedule a regular time to clean your equipment so that it becomes part of your normal routine. Each morning, remove the mask and wipe it with a damp cloth. Empty the remaining water from the humidifier chamber, then rinse it out and place it back into the unit. It is very important to not leave standing water in the humidifier chamber. This can cause bacteria to grow inside of the chamber. Once a week, you'll need to clean the humidifier chamber and tubing. Remove these items from the unit and wash with a mild detergent and warm water, then rinse well. It is best to do this in the morning to allow enough time to air dry before you use it again at night. The filter on the back of the machine is disposable and can be replaced every 2 weeks. If you have any other questions or concerns, you can call the VieMed Sleep Coaching Center, available Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time at 1-844-475-7277 or visit us on the web at viemed.com/sleep.